Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a very easy and flavorful one pot dish, Palak pulao or spinach rice. This is the list of ingredients required. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pressure cooker. Take 10 to 12 peppercorns, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cloves and 1 star anise. Add these to the hot oil and splutter for 1 minute. Take care not to burn these spices. Now add 2 sliced onions and 1 teaspoon salt. Saute on medium flame. Keep scraping the bottom of the vessel frequently. By 10 to 12 minutes, the onions will turn a nice light brown color. Add 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Fry for a couple more minutes till the raw smell goes. Now add 3 cubed potatoes and fry for 2 more minutes. Add 1 tomato and 4 to 5 green chillies and fry for 2 minutes. Remember to keep scraping the bottom. These bits are full of flavor. Add 1 bunch of finely chopped spinach leaves. Mix well and cook till the spinach wilts and leaves water. Now add the spice powders: 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Add 2 cups water and bring it to a boil. Check the taste and add more salt if required. Here I had to add half teaspoon more salt. Now add 1 cup basmati rice which has been soaked in water for half an hour. Mix this well. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder. Cover the lid and pressure cook on medium flame for 2 whistles. Oh wow, this smells amazing. Fluff the rice gently with a fork. Serve it hot with your favorite raita and enjoy. If you like this video, please like and share it. Leave your comments below, and for more such easy recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.